Hello. Today, we are going to be making egg fried rice. I started off with chopping 800 grams of chicken in cubes and adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper and 2 teaspoon red chili powder. After evenly coating the chicken and spices, fry them for 5 to 7 minutes on both sides until cooked evenly. Sorry for this boring commentary. I didn't have time to be funny. In the leftover oil, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 green chilies, half capsicum, and sauté for a few minutes. Then add 6 tablespoons of hot sauce, 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, some pepper and 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add some water and increase the flame to high. Then add your fried chicken. Cook until most of the water has dried up. Ayo. Looks delicious. You can serve it with some fried rice. Enjoy.